Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to display the caption one word at a time as the speaker talk. So I have loaded my background here, and I also added a sound. So let's just hear the sound first.
Today I'm gonna talk about the auto caption feature
And
in
after
Capcut.
that, to add the caption, I go to text, then auto captions. Okay, generate from the video. For highlight, I'll just leave it off for now. The filter on, and I'm gonna click generate. So it's going great. So now let's play.
Today I'm gonna
So
talk
it tells
about
me
the
that
auto caption
this
feature
is a
in
caption it
Capcut.
generate. So I'm gonna first fix the caption here. Instead of future, it's a future. So I'm just gonna edit captions. Go into future here. Futures. This. Go. Right now, just
Today
gonna
I'm
click,
gonna talk about the auto
and it's good.
caption.
So, so what we're gonna do now is change the style. I'm just gonna go to style here and fonts. So just you can take let's say result for example. Okay, let's try it out
Today
now.
I'm gonna talk
There
about
you go.
the
So it's good. Now we're gonna make the text appear like each word appear one by one as we talk. So I'm just click on this, and then after that, style. Go to the right, animation, then you get captions. You scroll down and you can see all the options in here. So say example work frame, and let's see, scroll down and see what the option there is. Center, zoom out, spring. So this seems quite good. There's here bounce out, there's also spring. So let's try spring and see what happens.
today.
Okay, click on this, go back and play.
Today I'm gonna talk
Today,
about
oh,
the
that
auto
way too
caption
fast.
feature in.
So let's go back, change it again, style, and go to animation, caption, and we're gonna choose something else. Okay, bounce out,
Today.
and go back.
Today I'm gonna talk
Today I'm
about
gonna
the auto
talk
caption
about the
feature
auto caption
in
feature
Capcut.
in Capcut. And just make sure today I'm gonna talk about the auto caption feature in Capcut. Yeah, so that's it.
Today I'm gonna talk about the auto caption feature in Capcut.
Alright guys, so you can see that hope this tutorial helped for you to display one word at a time as you speak. And if you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!